Welcome to Mexico, guys. We are in the beautiful little town of Catasaha in Chiapas. And as you can see, it's really quiet here. Look at that. But look at these beautiful wide streets. Have you ever seen wide streets like this in Mexico? Look at this, got some cool decorations. Neat. And here's a little bandstand, a little plaza where they play music and stuff like that. This house here is the second oldest house in the town. Very old. Up ahead is the church where we're going to go take a look. And we're walking with our friend Aaron here. And where are you, Maria?
Hello.
And we're going to go take a look at the church. See what it's like. The lagoon is down there. That's a beautiful lagoon. We have a video where we took a boat ride. They gave us a complimentary boat ride on the lagoon. Check out that video. It's a nice, quiet, peaceful little town. So let's go all the way there and go check out that church. Here we are at this beautiful church. Look at this. Let me go a little closer so you can see it. This is the Church of San Jose, which is the patron saint of this town. Look at that beautiful flowers they have on the church steeples. And they got the bells up on top. But that decoration with the flowers, it's just amazing. Let me go closer so you can see it. In the middle they got some ceramic work. Jesus and the disciples catching fish. But this here is what really makes this church stick out. Look at that. That is beautiful. Let's go inside, take a look. The church here, we met 2 subscribers. Hola, ¿cómo te llamas?
Me llamo Joaquín.
Joaquín, this is Joaquín. ¿Y tú cómo te llamas?
Ángel.
Ángel, ¿no quieres salir en la cámara?
No,
He's shy. But Joaquín dice que sí sale en la cámara. Exacto.
Sí.
He's not shy. So we got 2 new subscribers, guys. From Catasaha, Chiapas. Here I am inside the church. Very nice. It looks like it's quite old. Look at that high ceiling. Here they have a large picture of Guadalupe, the patron saint of Mexico. I like the altar area. The whole back wall is painted, huge crucifix. Very, very nice. I like those interesting tiles. The cement floor tiles with pieces of marble set into them. Look at that. Very pretty. And they have here on the altar, they have a fishing net. Oh, I didn't notice that. Look, it's a canoe with fishing net and fish. If you read the Bible, there's a lot of stories about fish and fishing boats and fishing nets. And that's why they have it here. And since this is a lot of fishing going on in this town, that's why they do that also. Really nice. Muy bonito aquí. Really, really pretty. I like it. I'm glad there's nobody in here so I could walk around, because some people go offended when you come and film in the churches. Let me go peep on the side. I see there's a side door here. Let's see what we can find here. Oh, wow. They have another small chapel here on the side. Look at that. A little one. Oh, this is where they keep the Eucharist. The Eucharist is up front there. That's what they call the body of Christ. Wow. With arches. Look at the arches. And they've got these beautiful paintings on the arches. Look at that. I think I got put on the lights for that. Yeah, so you could see it better. That is just amazing. Look at that. Roof tiles. And then they got those pretty curtains lining it. And the Eucharist is here, so people come here to pray and to meditate. And they have a little garden right next to it. It's so peaceful. They got these banisters or balustrades. Just amazing. A cross up there. Columns holding it up. Wow. This is a find. Look here, they have a picture of painting of Moses parting the seas. Look at that. Some detail went into this. Amazing detail. There we have one of the burning bush. What a beautiful place. Absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. Look at that. Very small, very intimate, just beautiful. I almost didn't come to this church, but I'm glad I did. Because it was definitely worth it. Absolutely worth it. So guys, thanks for watching. This is just amazing. Coming to you from Katasaha in the state of Chiapas. Welcome to Mexico, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, comment. If you have any idea where we should go, let us know in the comments too. Que viva Mexico. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.